the perfect companion to your gardening needs. The Garden Barrow has a durable plastic, rust-proof 8-inch tray depth. The loop handle and 2 air-filled pneumatic tires make the Garden Barrow easier to lift, balance and maneuver around most terrains. Push, pull and dump mulch, sand, dirt, gravel, garden debris, and more. This is a perfect cart for hauling, weeding, and other small yard and garden projects. With easy assembly, this wheelbarrow is built to last. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The Garden Barrow features 2 air-filled tires and a loop handle, making it easy to lift, balance, and maneuver. Number 2. Easy to assemble, only 6 bolts. Number 3. Features a durable poly tray built to easily carry a few bags of mulch, dirt, gravel, or sand. Number 4. The perfect cart for hauling, weeding, and other small yard and garden projects. Number 5. Perfect outdoor gift for a gardener or backyard enthusiast. Number 6. Maneuverability. The loop handle makes it easy for the user to push, pull or dump the contents of the Garden Barrow. Number 7. Tray and functionality. The Garden Barrow features a 4 cubic foot polypropylene plastic, durable, impact resistance, no rust tray. The tray allows for ease in dumping any materials and smaller loads. The Garden Barrow can hold a variety of items such as small rocks, mulch, bark bags, yard waste, hay, debris and more. Number 8. Easy storage. The Garden Barrow is designed to stand upright or hang on a wall to conveniently store away until your next use, without compromising significant amounts of storage space. Number 9. Pneumatic tires. The dual air-filled tires create an even load-weight distribution, optimal balance, and excellent handling even over most terrains. The Garden Barrow is equipped with 2 to 8-inch pneumatic tires to give you the ease of lift and stability. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.